Pinagsay, puso, kaibigan, kabarkada. Mahawi, kapit nisip tayo ang gabi ay hahawi. Ating liliparin, may harang magsibat. Ating tatawirin, daluyo ng dagat. Pagkakasama mo ako, iisang bangka tayo. Ano man ang bitin ay makakamtan natin. Dance, 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 dance. Pants, 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 pants. Pants, 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 pants. Pants, 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 pants. Yeah, yeah. And it goes on and on and on. And it goes on and on and on. Yeah. I throw my hands up in the air sometimes, saying, hey, yo. Take it all now. I'm gonna be the last one standing higher overall. I'm gonna be the sweep the streets I used to own.
Di memorize it.
I used to roll the dice, feel the fear in my enemy's eyes, listen as the crowd would sing. Now the old king is dead, long live the king. One more than I held the key. Next the walls were walls of me, and I discovered I'm a castle stand upon pillars of sand, pillars of sand. I hear Jerusalem bells are ringing, Roman cavalry choirs are singing. Be my mirror, my sword and shield, my missionaries in a foreign field. For some reason I can't explain, once you go, I was never, never on this word, and that is when I rule the world.
Sabayan nyo kami dito, ha?
Let's rule the world.
Palaka. Okay. Sabay tayo, ha? Oh, 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 palakpakan nyo naman kami.
I hear Jerusalem bells are ringing, Roman cavalry choirs are singing. Be my mirror, my sword, my shield, my missionaries in an open field. For some reason I can't explain, once you go, I was never, never on this word, and that is when I rule the world.
Oh, palakpakan nyo naman kami.
Thank you.
Praise God.
And I ride from the ocean to the morning sky. And when the love falls, just remember you gotta let the joy rise. The joy rise. Let the joy rise. Let the joy rise. Let the joy rise. It was one of the sunny days. I was looking for one friendly face. There seemed to be a closer back here. 'Cause I was never known to be sad. All I wanted is to spread love and get some back. I know that brighter days will come and get me. And when there were times when I feel all alone, I reach down inside my strength from my soul. I look to the sky, dry the tears from my eyes. Let the joy rise, let the joy rise to the open sky. And when the love falls, just remember you gotta let the joy rise. Let the joy rise from the ocean to the morning sky. And when the love falls, just remember you gotta let the joy rise. 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 Agnes Mercado. Ngayon naman, hayaan yung ako bilang inyong tour guide. Siyempre, bawat lakbayan kailangan may tour guide. At si Agnes ang mag-tour sa inyo para sa gabing ito. Ako po si Rosel from Yankee Sam.
Ngayong gabi, ipagdiriwang natin ang ating pagkakaibigan, ang ating pagsasamahan na nabuo sa 3 araw nating pagsasama sa loob ng bahay ni Big Bro sa isang spiritual formation na singles encounter.
Correct. And we will pause and look back to those memories. So kung kayo tingnan nyo yung mga katabi ninyo, tingnan din kita, Agnes. Tingnan nyo kung yan ba yung mga kabatch ninyo, kabay-variate ninyo, o ka-care group ninyo. O, kasi ito yung mga kaibigan na nag-form sa mga iba't ibang activities ng YAMS. 10 years siya kung tutuusin, Agnes. And kung sa stage of human development, mga pre-adolescent years pa lang ito. Pero kahit na umabot tayo ng 15, 20, or even 50 years, the Young Adults Ministry will still remain as a ministry under construction until such time na ma-reach out natin yung mga young adults to journey towards Christ.
Kaya, hindi na namin patatagalin pa ang aming mga atin. Hihirit na! Kaya brothers and sisters, welcome to Sampung Lakbayan, the Young Adults Ministry 10th Year Celebration!
Kaya pasikatan ito ng talents na binigay sa atin ni Lord. Hindi na natin patatagalin nga, Agnes, katulad nga ng sinabi mo. Ito, i-introduce ko. I'm proud to be proud to be part of it. Siyempre, ito yung relatively medyo bago sa Young Adults Ministry kasi 5 years. Yan. Ito ang Vicariate kung saan matatagpuan ang 2 pinakasikat na sementeryo sa buong Pilipinas. Pero, ito, sa kabila ng sementeryo, ito naman ay puno ng buhay. Ladies and gentlemen, the Young Adults from Vicariate of San Antonio de Padua, it's their show, it's their time, it's showtime!
Now when did you let your heart decide? I can open your eyes, take you wonder by wonder, over sideways and under, on the magic carpet ride. Still